Hello and welcome to Indian curry recipes. Today we'll be making naan in a bowl of approximately 100 grams self-raising flour, 200 grams plain flour, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 cup of water, a little bit of oil to help you with the kneading. Knead this really well and keep it for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. The dough should fluff up like this and bounce back. If it's sticky, apply some oil to help you with the kneading. Take some ball pieces and you need to prep this and keep it aside for half an hour. Push it like this at the back, like the way you make bread. On a plate, spread it out like this. You can spread it in any shape you want and put any toppings. I put garlic, kalonji, which is onion seeds, chili flakes, kasuri methi. You can use any topping. Brown it on each side. You'll see some water bubbles. If you're using non-stick pan, you can spray some water on top. I didn't need one, so you can do it and enjoy this nice hot and warm with any curry. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes for more recipe videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.